So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use a customizable drone project template, something that you can use and submit for your current projects. And most importantly, what are those components of a complete drone project report? So let's jump right in. Before we get into the template, I just want to talk through what are those key reasons to have a report like this and really what makes it like a non-negotiable for growing your business. And these are really three things. The first one is validation. So it's really concrete evidence, of the work that you've done and your expertise, all captured in one document. The second thing I would say is clarity. You're able to take complex data and goals and metrics, and you're able to put that in a digestible, understandable format that your customers can really take in and understand exactly what's been done, and really making sure that nothing's been missed out on as well. The third thing I would say is just communications. So it's really a bridge connecting you, the stakeholders, and the client, and just keeping everyone that's involved aligned and informed with what's going on. So outside of just having a report, you really want to have it nicely designed, right? Because this is going to boost your credibility, really showing that, you're serious and you mean business about deliberately, putting these project reports forward, and really just having that consistency and branding. It's about building, trust and recognition, with your customers as well. So all of your brand colors would be customized as you're giving out this report to more people. Having something designed really is for efficiency as well, right? So you're able to, really streamline this whole process. You can easily come in and say, if this is a survey report, just go and type drone survey. So it really does give you that versatility when you need to do other types of projects or reports as well. The last thing is engagement, right? If we take a quick glance through here, your reports are supposed to be inviting. It's supposed to just really something that's attractive and makes people want to read, through and find out exactly what happened. All right. Okay. So we're going to go through some of the main sections of this report. I'll first just show you just kind of go through page by page, and then I will show you how you can create your own or you can edit this template. So I always like to start with a nicely designed title page, but I'm a big fan of minimal design. So really just something that's quick, to the point, has all the necessary information here. So we have, project number, date, exactly what this report, is for, our logo here, and then, who the report is by, who it's for, and other pertinent information. Also, because we are certified to do what we do, we always like to have a trust badge, as we say, that your clients can know that you're always operating in compliance and legally. So then we jump into, executive summary, brief introduction of the project, key findings and achievements, and then a mention of the equipment that you're using for this particular project. And then we have, project overview. So client's name, survey date, project number, site arrival, departure time, the address, weather. And really, this is all great information to include. Not only is it a way to just keep track of what you're doing on a daily basis, but this could also serve as a legal document, as well. It gives your customer a really, really detailed look at what's going on. So we also have the type of work that was done, personnel on site, and was there a safety meeting, and then a brief description of the activities. Typically, I like to specifically include the deliverables that were required for this project. So those are listed here. And then a link to Google Drive folder where they can find all of the different media. So then we have more of a full equipment checklist that outlines the drones, that outlines the type of drone that was flown, the type of camera sensor that was used, and then any safety gear that was used as well. So now we just have some sample media and photos that can be shown. As you see in each one of the photos, they can be used. So, if you notice, there is a brief description next to each of the photos. So just highlighting exactly what you're seeing in that photo. So, of course, if you were doing a bridge inspection, you would have, more pictures of any, problem areas that you saw, or whatever the highlight for your particular project is, that's what you would want to use this page for. Something we always included as well is like a before and after. So what the Google Maps is currently showing, which we know is out of date, low resolution, low quality compared to what you can capture with a drone, and also just highlighting the number of photos that were taken to create that. If you use Drone Deploy, you've probably seen something like this before, but it's an annotation report that simply outlines some of the areas of interest for this particular project. So of course, this can be customized to how you like as well. And then lastly, we have section for conclusions and recommendations. And depending on if you're responsible for analysis or maybe it's just to provide the data, you can use this for something else, or you can take out this, or you could adjust this, as needed. So I always like to include a team page so they can see who's in the background, who's on the team as well. If you're a one person business, then you can just use this section as like a bio and just tell them your drone story and just a little bit of background about yourself. And then a thank you page. So we use Canva to edit, and it's really easy to go in and change what you need to. So if this was more, video reports or a survey, everything can be adjusted. You should have specific brand colors for your company. You'll just go here and make sure that you're able to edit and change the colors as you need to. But yeah, Canva makes it super easy to just go in and edit. So that's the exact process to set up a drone survey report. So you have two options now. You can go ahead and recreate this report in Canva, just following this outline, or you can use this exact template, which was created in Canva. We do have this as an ebook download on our website. So I'll leave the link below if you want access to that. Otherwise, let me know what else you want to see. I'm looking to do more tutorials and trainings like this. So let me know what other resources you would like to see, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.